After 1 hour of construction, the boiler is now fixed. As you can see in this box, since I've got a new burner fitted, here's the old one. As you can see, the white bit isn't surrounding it properly, so it caused a noise in the boiler, and that bit, as you can see, it's got kinks and it's ripped a bit. So that's what's making the dreadful noise in this boiler. Under it, the pilot light will be under here. See the screw holes. It's not that heavy, just for a baxi burner. There's another seal. So I'll just put this back in its box. Take the cover off. Just looks the same as usual. So here, to the thermostat. So come on. Much quieter. The light's dropping. I wish I should have made a video of the construction, but I was at school. Because that, and you could see it's all dirty. Parts of it have ripped. I thought it was going to be heavy and way bigger. The white bit isn't around the burner. I was trying to light it for you and show you it in action. Oh, I don't know how you light burners. But the new one will be producing a flame around the tiny, as you can see, tiny little holes on the fluff itself. On the new one, it will be surrounding it, and it won't be ripped, and the big flame will be producing it. If I turn the tap on, it goes off. Treating up the water. That's his DH. Very hot. Not very chlorine-y now. That's what it used to be. So it only came off the white thing and Timer didn't really do anything. One bar of pressure. It might have got repressured when he removed the burner. And I'll turn it off. So it takes ages. The burner goes out. Can you see the state of this? Get it out for you one more time. See that? Easy come off easily now. I don't know what's under the fluff, but I wish I could. Goes off. You see it rips easily as well. We'll have to get the new one replaced in another 6 years. See, it's got burns around the side. Fragile burner top. How many burners are actually in this boiler? 2. Is this a top burner? Is this a top burner? Might be, because it's his fragile burner top. I wish I could show you what the new one looks like. See, it's very burnt. And this would have had so many flames produced. Still produces a flame. And that will just go back to on. Back to the on. That on. There's a switch. Turn it off. Puts the boiler off. Set it back on. Goes to 0. That's the pilot light lit. Do it again. Goes to 1. Do it again. Can you hear the pilot got out? And the bar lowering. Turn it on. I'll do it without my voice. I've turned it on. Lit. It lights by itself. See you later, guys.